I'm going to present some useful languages for opinion essays, like the question to what extent do you agree or disagree. For intro, we can start with these languages. It is often argued that completely agree that, I partially agree that, or you can also use this nice word, I partially agree that. For body paragraphs, we can present the main idea by using these phrases. One strong argument in favor of this is. Another reason why I support this view is that. For conclusion, I firmly believe that, so you have to show your position, whether you agree or disagree. For number 2, we've got discussion essays, like the questions, discuss both views, and give your own opinion. For introduction, we can use these phrases. Some people believe, whereas other argues, it show parallel structures. And we also need to have the essay blends. For example, this essay will examine both perspectives, and you can also state your opinions in the conclusion. So for body paragraphs, we can use these languages. Supporters of the first view, in contrast, other points out. For conclusion, after considering both sides, I'm convinced that, and then you can state your opinion. For advantages and disadvantages essay, for introduction, we can use these languages. It's true that both positive and negative aspects. Same thing, we can also present the essay blend. This sentence should be at the end of the first paragraph. For body, we can use these languages on the one hand. On the other hand, however, for conclusion, we can also use these languages. Although there are some disadvantages, I believe the advantages outweigh them. For problem and solution essays, the example question should be like this. We can introduce by saying nowadays, and same thing essay blends. For body paragraphs, these are some linking phrases. It's a good idea to learn them so that we can apply them where they are needed. For conclusion, we can say in summary, and we can also have some parallel structure. Why poses serious challenges, effective steps can be taken to address it. So another questions type is called direct questions. This is the example of direct questions. For introduction, we can use these languages. This track has image. Image is same as here. And again, essay blend, very important. And we can use those languages. One key factors, in my view, we can also use these languages for the previous essay types where they are appropriate. And to conclude, this development stems from, and I believe it is, and you see whether positive or negative.